All right. Welcome to this module. Welcome for. Thank you for watching this particular course to this module. In this module, we're going to be talking about how to design quality logo and banner. All right. I'll be showing us how to design eye-catching logo and banner using Canva, and also how to get banners from Google and other premium websites. Okay, so this course is just going to be I'm just going to tell us the basics and fundamental. It's not going to be a deep course. All right, so let's head straight to Canva and see how you can design beautiful banners and logo. Okay, first you go to your web browser and search for canva.com. Alright, canva.com. Then if this is your first time of using this site, all you need to do is sign up. Alright, but if you've been using the site before, just log in and continue. Okay, so if you are signing up, they'll just ask you for your details and just fill them, and that's all. Alright, so once you click sign up, they'll tell you to sign up with either your Gmail, your Facebook, or you sign up with email. Alright, so I've done that already, so all I need to do now is to log in. Okay, this is my username and my password, so just need to log in. Okay, so once you log in, you see this interface, this particular page. So all we need to do now is, since we are creating a banner for our website and also for our social media account, so we'll go under social media. We'll choose Facebook. I want us to design Facebook cover. There's Facebook now. Okay, this is Facebook. You choose your Facebook cover, alright, because that is standard height, the standard requirement for creating a Facebook page profile. Facebook page banner photo. So next you search for, depending on your industry. So for the sake of this course, we'll be using the fashion industry. So all I need to do is search for boutique. Alright, just search for boutique. Okay, alright, search for boutique. Okay, I think this one is better. Let's select this. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is enter your business name and your address. Okay, so the name of our boutique is let's say classy boutique. Alright, so then you enter your address, because for now I don't have any address I want to use. Okay, let me just look for any address. Alright, let's just say 45 Akintayo Street, Ikeja, Lagos. Alright, so don't bother looking for this address because you won't find this place. Alright, so when you are done with that, the next thing is you click on download and you save as PNG. Alright, save as PNG. Then click on download, so it will automatically download the banner for us. Alright, so yeah, that's finished downloading. So that's that. You can see it has finished downloading. See, Okay, then next is how to use Google to find images. Since our business is a fashion business, so I'll still type boutique. Alright, just type boutique. Type boutique. So if you are running a fashion store, beauty store, type beauty. If you are running what's it called, hair salon and all that, just type boutique. Then go to images on your Google search bar. Go to images. Okay, so you look for your own. Alright, now we can see we have good looking pictures here. Boutique, which one is better now? I need something real. Something real. Something real, and I think this one is okay. So let's go with this, right? Let's go with this one. Okay, all you need to do is save the image. Save image as. Save the image. Clothing boutique under alright, under desktop. Clothing boutique, you save. Alright, so now we have to come back to Canva and we have to come back to Canva. Alright, so because we need a particular size, so come here and click on upload. Upload media, device. I think the two is similar, very similar. Let's see. Okay, this is it. Open. Open. Then drag and drop. Sorry. Okay, this is it. So all you need to do is resize it. We are using this, what's it called? We're only using this to resize. So we're only using this to resize. I'm using this to resize. You can see, right? Then you bring in the name of your address. This one is too bright, so you can change the color from here. Turn it to, let's use black. I think black is okay. Is black okay? Okay. Classy boutique. Alright. So that's how you use you can download images from Google. Just type the industry, then go to images, click images, you see different images pop up. Alright. So once you are done, you click download. Okay. Click save. Alright. Then for your logo, let's go home. You want to design logo. It's very easy too, same process. Alright. So you come here, type logo. Let's type logo. Alright. These are logos, right? So you can use any of these. You can use any of these for a logo. Alright. You can use any of these. But let's look for something relating to fashion. Okay, this one is absolute fashion. You can use this as your logo. Alright. So it's very easy to, they have already made templates, so you don't need to design from scratch. Alright. So all you need to do is just change the name of this place or this to your own business name, which is Classy Boutique. Then once you are done, just click download and that's all. Alright, just click on download and that's all. You see. Okay. Alright, that's that for designing banner and logo using Canva. Thank you very much.